Okay, you got me. I hate doing maintenance. There's some girls in this world that love getting their hair, nails, wax, etc. done, but I don't. I love having them done, but I hate going to do it. They actually don't feel relaxing to me at all. So if I can get half of these things done in the comfort of my home and the occasion ain't that serious for me to go see a professional, please count me in. That, to me, isn't just maintenance, it's self-care. And I quite like being alone and pampering myself. So with that being said, shall we begin?
Hey, say love me, you put me Chanel. 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 Hey, say love me, put me Chanel. Turned out, I had you turned out. What's my mood? Try me, come find out. One more time, stop trying to read my mind. I'm not her and she's not me, and you're not mine. That's okay. Love you out with me. Ready on D&D. Please don't bother me. I can move easy. Flawless diamond this. You gotta make me freeze. Reasons that you got. You say love me and put me Chanel. 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 I'm a big dog baby and a dog baby. Self-made bitch, yeah, you and upgrade me. Waistline crazy, man, them chase me. See you want see me, where you gon' take me?
To be honest, guys, I was watching one of my old visual diaries and I was complaining about this same issue 2 years ago that I need to put myself together more often. I am way too comfortable looking homeless. You know, I'm too comfortable looking homeless. So I challenged myself to try to do more hairstyles with my relaxed hair because I don't really always want a sew-in or braids, or I don't always want to have my hair done. I don't know. I just need a change. And I feel like my aesthetic is very grunge, streetwear, fairy core type aesthetic. It's not the clean girl look. And I don't know. I just want to do more fun stuff. So this is my attempt at doing that.
Just like a Latin switch, get you anything you ask for. Either him or me. The champagne, Hennessy, but my homies when we talk on our enemies. Witness as we creep to a low speed.
I literally just got the random urge to redecorate my room. Well, not redecorate, like move up some things in my room. So my bed is right here, but I'm actually gonna put it over there. So I'm gonna turn it this way. I've been wanting a change. I think that's what I'm gonna do. My room is a mess, so just ignore that. My fan is extremely dirty, so when I turn this around, don't be shocked. I'm gonna wash it. I'm gonna wash it. Okay? Okay. Just stay! And my mirror is right here, which I hate because it's behind the door. That makes no sense to me. I hate it. Because I put the vanity right here, this is where the mirror used to be. So yeah, let's try to just move this. See how I like it. Either way, I'm not moving it back today because this bed is heavy as hell. Okay, so that's where that is now. I don't know how I feel. I don't know. I don't know. Listen, I don't know. I said that's it for right now. That mirror is not catching on anything. It is there by the grace of God. I don't hate this layout. However, over there just feels extremely empty now. So I'm thinking I'll probably just put the nightstand back down at the end and then keep that. Or should I put the... Should I put my chest to drawer on this side and put the mirror on that side? Or should I put the vanity over here? For now, I think I'm gonna let this stay here because I don't hate it right here. It's like, it's kind of cute right here. But this kind of don't make sense right here. But I need this right here. Can't balance it, that's it right now. I have been neglecting myself by not eating properly. So I've decided that I need to start cooking again. As someone who grew up not knowing how to cook, not liking the kitchen, not liking cooking or anything, as I got older, I did start to appreciate home-cooked meals, and I appreciated making those meals, you know? So I decided to tap back into my little cooking era, my little shopping with Shell era, and really and truly, I just need to fix my diet. I need to just take care of myself. That's what this entire video is about, just doing stuff that I should be doing on a regular basis. I chose a specific couple of days to do it, and I was like, oh, this is the self-care I'm doing on these days, but these are things I should be doing almost every single day. I should always be catering to my mental and physical health. This is not just something I should pick or choose a specific day, or you know, I shouldn't have to be putting these things into my schedule. This makes no sense. I should just be living every day like it's a beautiful, luxurious, glorious day. Because why am I not waking up any single day that I feel like and making some steamed fish and bunny? Other days I would have probably settled for a mackerel and rice just because I'm like, oh, I don't feel like I should eat that today. Why am I do that to myself? It's so weird that I feel like I have to earn something nice when I can literally just do nice things for myself every single day whenever I want to. Honestly, I think my name was probably spelled wrong on my birth certificate because somewhere there, procrastination and anxiety is supposed to be there, but for some reason it's nowhere to be found. I don't know why I have to overthink everything to the point where I end up procrastinating. I don't know what is wrong with me. Something as simple as cooking, something as simple as doing my hair, something as simple as doing skincare. Like, sometimes I'd say it's laziness, but really and truly it's just me overthinking. I literally overthink myself into just not doing anything. I'll just start thinking about, okay, I'm gonna do my skincare, and then when the time comes, I'll be like, okay, but if I do my skincare now, then I won't have time to do this, and then I won't have time to do that, and then I don't really feel like doing this right now, and then I sit down and waste probably like an hour or two thinking about that, when in that 2 hours I could have done everything that I already wanted to do. I don't know why my brain is wired like this, but yeah, I'm trying to put my foot down and catch myself and pull myself out of that mindset because I don't know what the hell is going on. One thing I can say about myself though is that I am learning to say no. Remember when I had a people-pleasing problem? Yeah, a lot of people would ask me to do things, ask me to go places, and I'd feel guilty, or I'd feel like, what if they feel bad and then that makes me feel bad? Why the hell am I feeling bad because I don't want to do something? Nobody's forcing me to do anything. So yeah, I have learned to say no. Even during all of this self-care process, people have asked me to go out, or people have asked me to do things for them, and I literally said no. I'm busy, I'm doing a home maintenance thing, I'm doing some self-care, and I don't want to do that right now. And it felt so good to do that. It felt so good knowing that I have a choice. People, we need to remember that we have choices in life. We are big people and we live with own a life. You understand? Yeah, I don't know why it took me this long to learn that, but it's a great feeling once you understand that fully. I swear, when I tell you guys, I don't even ever need to get a facial by a professional ever again because I have everything I need. So I got this 3rd generation gentle skin infrared mask from the brand Cororever. I don't know how to pronounce it. I've always wanted one of these LED masks. Basically, the mask provides personalized treatments for different skin types. Anybody showing anything? Hey, no! Why would you do that? Here. Right? It's supposed to go on like this? I think so. I think I popped these bad boys. So, this is what it looks like. And this is how you put the silicone thingy in. Okay. Ta-da! So it has 3 modes. Blue light. Then you switch the mode. This is the red. And then I switched again, but it seems like it's still on red. But it's kind of a mix with red and yellow. I don't know if after a while it will change colors. But I think I'm gonna use the red. That's supposed to help with aging. And I'm gonna do for 10 minutes. There's 3 modes to turn up the brightness. So there's 1, 2, 3. I think, oh, 4. All right, I think I might keep it on the second one. And yeah, let's go. This is exciting. Okay, it's on. Period. Like, baddie shot a clap. Baddie shot a clap. Hello, it's me. It's currently at 9 minutes. So yeah, I'm just gonna sit here, watch my show, and do my little skincare. This has been such a very relaxing night. I love it here. I love it here. Ah! Well, folks, the light just went out, so that means my 10 minutes is up. Oh, okay. Okay. Just a little sweaty right there. But yeah, the only thing I need to do now is moisturize my face. If I could find my moisturizer, that would be great. So yeah, this is the last thing I'm going to do for the night. Normally I would go in with the toners and the this and the that, but honestly I'm just going to go in with my moisturizer. I really love this moisturizer from Good Molecules. It's a gel moisturizer. So every other moisturizer I've ever used was a cream, and I feel like this just goes perfectly with my skin because I have oily skin, and this doesn't feel like it's making my face even more oily. So I love it. There's a little there. A little there, and I just, yeah. My nose feels like a baby's butt, like it's so smooth. Like no pores are there or anything. Wow. And I think that's me as it relates to skincare. I was gonna use my eye massager, but I feel like I'm gonna do that when I'm almost ready to sleep. It's gonna require my eyes to be closed, and I don't want to do that for 15 minutes. Actually, I'm cool off that. I'm good. I'm contemplating if I want a little back / neck and shoulder massage. So let me think on that some more. I need to take a shower. Like you'd have thought that I already took a shower, right? No, I do things very backwards. So yeah, I want to take a shower. Put on something very airy. This robe is for aesthetics. I'm burning up. Me hot bad. So yeah, I'm gonna take a shower and holla at y'all. Okay. Okay, tell me why this feels like 2 people massaging me at once. Like, who even needs a spa appointment anymore? This is the SKG Flex Massager H7 Ultra E. In other words, a back, neck, and shoulder massager by SKG. These 320 facet gold massage heads, they don't play. The way it kneads, it's like it knows exactly where the stress lives. And it heats up in seconds. The red light therapy plus warmth is basically a hot stone and towel treatment in one. It has a kneading mode, it has a pinching mode, and it has an acupressure mode. You can also adjust the heat, low heat, medium heat, high heat. I really like this. I'm not gonna lie, when I just put it on, it felt a little bit awkward, it felt a little bit uncomfortable. But the thing is, you can't adjust this too tight. If you adjust it to be extremely snug on you, then the balls are gonna be sinking too far down into your skin and it's gonna hurt. But right now, it doesn't hurt. It actually feels good. I have it on the lowest speed, and I also have it on medium heat. I love it, I love it. I actually feel like this feels good right now. And I think because the balls rotate like 360 degrees, it makes it feel a little bit better. Yeah, this feels so good actually. I also love the fact that it's cordless. I don't have to sit and stay in one place for it to work. I can literally just get up and do whatever I want to do, and this just do its thing. I think the low speed works for me because I think when the speed is too high, it kind of hurts, not gonna lie. So I prefer it when it's on low speed with the heat. 10 minutes with this and my whole day's stress is just poof, gone. If you love feeling like luxury without paying luxury spa prices, this device might just be your new obsession. You guys know that Black Friday is around the corner, so I think you should hop on this opportunity to get it while you can. Ooh, just wanna melt into you. Guys, for my no. Oh, okay. Phew! I almost thought that this spoiled, but you know, sometimes after you open it, it gets a little bit watery. I just pour that off and use the rest. So that's exactly what I'm gonna do. Everything is good. I'm gonna have my little snacks. So yogurt with granola, with a little bit of honey on top. I wish I had like banana or strawberries or something. I don't know why I'm just feeling for that all of a sudden, but I wish I had that. Anyways, none too crazy. That's basically it for this video, guys. Yeah, I just wanted to do something nice for myself, and I'm going to try to do this more often, as in not necessarily on video, but just do nice things for myself. I don't need to earn anything. I just exist and I deserve it, so why not? A part of this also came from the fact that I started thinking about my aesthetic, and I started thinking about things that make me unhappy. So one of the things, excuse my hair, one of the things that's making me unhappy is my apartment. And I've been saying this on live lately. I don't hate my apartment, let's get that out of the way. But it's the decor. The decor is driving me crazy, or the lack of decor. So you guys know that I kind of took a pause on doing the apartment vlogs or whatever, because honestly I didn't know what type of aesthetic I wanted. I love my bathroom. My bathroom was very intentional. The whole seashell blue theme. My room, I like my room, but I'm also gonna redo my room. I was trying to do this brown beige type vibe, but the things that were throwing me off was my black chest of drawer, my black vanity, right? I have a wooden nightstand and I have a wooden bed frame. And you know what I decided that I was gonna do? I'm going to fit it into my everyday aesthetic, which is, right, I am very, as I said earlier, I'm a grungy aesthetic, streetwear, emo if you must, okay, type of girl. All this grown luxury clean girl aesthetic is just not me. I live for a dark aesthetic. I literally live for a dark aesthetic. So yeah, I'm gonna be redecorating. I want to re-wrap my cupboards in black or white. My room furniture, yeah, it's gonna stay black. I'm gonna get black sheets, black curtains, like my living room, my dining room, like it's just, it needs to be dark colors. It needs to be black, whites, grays, silvers. I feel like once I get that, I will feel at ease. And I started thinking about my wardrobe as well. That's mostly what I wear, black and silver. Every time I try to step out of my comfort zone and do like extremely girly things, like obviously I look good because I look good in anything, but I feel the most comfortable when I am in streetwear, when I'm in black and silver. It's like the inner baddie comes out, you know what I mean? Now, I'm experimenting with doing different styles. This is probably not one I'm going to do again. It was cute for a moment, but for like an everyday thing, maybe not. Maybe not. I'm 27 years old. This makes me look like I'm in high school. Cute, but not age appropriate. I don't need younger men to be hitting on me. Okay? Okay, so there's that. But you know, every now and then, obviously, I'm gonna do whatever the hell I want with my hair and my appearance, because I mean, I'm a name and I can do whatever I want. Yeah, so yeah, I think that is just a part of like finding yourself, finding your identity, find what works for you and not try to limit yourself to what everybody else is doing. I'd have people say to me that, you know, oh, you've changed. What was I supposed to do? Was I supposed to say the same as I was when I just joined YouTube? Was I supposed to say the same 21-year-old? Does that make sense? No. If you're not changing, then something is wrong with you. So yeah, what might look like a bad change in someone else's eyes is a good change to me. Contrary to popular belief, with all the things that have happened in my life, this year has been one of the least depressing years. It might not look like that because I've kind of shifted the way I do certain things, the way I do my content, the way I express myself. I am a lot more unfiltered, if you must. I just don't give a damn anymore. Like, I don't care to be perceived. I don't really care how people perceive me. Like, me, I give what me have, and this me have, and if you don't want it, look for somebody else. If you accept it, I love you down, and that's just it. Like, I don't have the time to be people pleasing anymore, so if it is not liked, then that is okay. I don't know what to tell you. I'm gonna have my granola and yogurt. Drizzle, drizzle, not too much. Bon appetit. If you got this far in the video, please comment a black heart, and I'm probably gonna put something silver beside it because that's just rough. Thank you for tuning in. Thank you for loving me. Thank you for all the likes, the comments, the shares, the subscriptions. I know I haven't been as consistent, but your girl is trying to level up. Your girl is growing and glowing. You understand? I hope everyone will take this as inspiration to just love on themselves, take care of themselves, even with everything depressing that's going on. Like, trust me. Don't bother feel like me not remember about Hurricane Melissa and the devastation to the country and all of that. I am literally trying to distract myself. So this is not me being insensitive or cruel or tone deaf. Me literally, I try to take care of myself before I'm mad. So I implore you to do the same before you run yourself dry, giving your all to everyone else. Yeah. With that being said, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye! Mwah.